Hi friends, today we are going to hear a topic on Ayurvedic treatment for PCOD ladies problem by Dr. Peddi Ramadevi Garu, a well-known Ayurvedic physician in Hyderabad. Madam, please.
PCOD is multi-hormone dysfunction. We can consider it as multi-hormone dysfunction. Lot of women are facing this problem since around 15 years, but nowadays it has come more like every alternate women we are coming across this problem. So most of the time they complain of irregular periods and scanty periods, heavy periods, and within a year they have only 6 to 9 cycles. So when a woman does not have a menstrual cycle for more than 3 or 4 months, then we consider there is a problem in that woman. So in PCOD, what happens? The ovaries are filled with small follicles, and due to which the estrogen hormone is not released because the follicles obstruct the formation of the ovum. So during this process, the ovum will be the so-called small ovaries, ovum small, which are formative, or what we call as follicles, which are formed inside to form into ovum, will be dissolved in itself. So that is called as FSH we call. So luteinizing and follicle stimulating hormone, both are will be affected. So during this process, what happens when the estrogen levels falls down, then the endometrium does not form. When the endometrium does not form, then the progesterone is not able to affect the system to get the cycle. So during this process, what happens? Almost 4 to 5 hormones will be affected. Out of this, there will be having adipose tissue formation. Some women will be having hyperinsulinemia, a condition where the pancreas also will be affected. The insulin is also affected. So due to which the patient complains of craving for food, or there will be sometimes raise in the insulin levels, or sudden fall in the insulin levels. All these things, apart from all these things, some women will have diffused hair fall, some women will have acne, some women will have pigmentation, some women may put on weight, some women will have even thyroid stimulating hormone, so called as thyroid, what we call these days, that will be also raised. So all this will be affected. It is a multi-hormone problem which is faced due to this irregular cycles, or due to the formation of the cyst, what we call. So this is polycystic ovarian syndrome or disease. So during this process, what happens? The woman complains of irregular periods. So some of the women, when we come across in our clinic, we try to see that the woman gets regular periods and they have proper diet and exercise. Some of the women will have lot of stress in their work because lot of children or lot of women are working these days. So naturally they will be having increased stress levels, due to which the hormones will be affected. So that also can be done with helping the patient with diet and exercise. Mostly diet and exercise plays a major role, and maintaining the insulin levels in the blood is most important. So for this we recommend diet to the patient. So we have come across some girls, like they have just like a diabetic patients, they have the raised sugar levels. So once we start giving diet exercise, a woman will start natural periods as well as normal insulin levels. So at certain stage, even certain women will be dropping into infertility, that is due to PCOD. So we deal with patients with insulinemia, hyperinsulinemia, and adipose tissue, and even cholesterol problem. All this will be taken care during the course of treatment. So basically, they have to maintain proper diet, proper exercise. Apart from that, we have very good medicines. Like unlike allopathic medicines, our medicines are very effective in reducing the sugar levels, first of all. Then once the sugar levels are maintained, the woman does not eat less or more food, and they maintain proper diet. The craving aspect and all will be coming down. So once they maintain a proper diet and all, naturally the weight also will be managed. So apart from this, we give certain medicines to get the regular periods. Basically, if the women have regular periods, the ovulation process or the estrogen and all will be maintained. So we try to see that the woman gets regular periods in a regular time schedule. So after this, like we help the patients in the regular management of the menstrual cycles. So that helps with different types sets of medicines. So we recommend the patients for a regular health checkups. Like we ask them to go for ultrasound scan or transvaginal scan, and some of them for hormonal assay, and some of them we ask them to go for regularly for sugar diabetic profile, because they have a family history. Some of them will be having family history. So all this should be taken care, and most of the important thing is like they drop into functional cyst. Some of the women will be having a single cyst develops out of these follicles, and that will create a problem for some of them. And even if the patient is not properly treated, there might be a problem with endometriosis and other problems also. So for all these things, Ayurveda and our Suraksha Ayurvedic treatments helps a lot. So we give different set of medicines for this particular problem.
Acha, in the process, you will give medicine for controlling the irregular periods, heavy bleeding, etc., and all these problems also, ma'am.
Yes, we see that the patient have regular monthly cycles, and during that monthly course, some women will have family history or iron depletion, that is hemoglobin. There will be fall in hemoglobin, or some other reasons they have disturbances in other hormones also, or stress levels. We consider all these aspects and see that the patient has not only regular cycles, and even the maintaining the other imbalances also, we try to help the patient.
Okay. For iron improvement, you have Ayurvedic medicines.
Yeah, we have hemoglobin. For hemoglobin and ferritin, we have some of the loha we call as, and that is loha manduras, which are prepared with herbo minerals, what we call. So these are like putas. They have 100 putas, 1000 putas. This is processed and nanoform there. They are very good medicines where they are very effective. Say for example, if the patient takes our hemoglobin, like this, what is loha basma we call, that will be effective for almost around 15 to 20 days. The patient will be having 1 gram increase. So that is very good sign. So naturally the patient will have because when there is a drop in the hemoglobin levels, the coagulation factors will be affected, and the patient will start heavy periods and all. So for this we help the patient in even not only medicines, we try to help the patients in improving the hemoglobin with the proper food. Apart from that, we have PCOD medicines. They are very effective. Basically, in allopathy medicines, they give metformin like medicines. So our medicines are replacement to that, and they are purely herbal. So the patient does not have sudden sugar fall and sudden weakness and all. They does
Acha,
not.
for controlling the sugar also you have medicine.
Yes, because there is a problem with insulin.
Okay.
Due to these hormones, because of this fall in the FSH or in the estrogen non-formation in the ovaries,
Okay.
so the insulin will be disturbed. That is a condition called hyperinsulinemia. So during this problem, like we give
And you even give on blood pressure also, BP high, and this thing also you will give medicine, BP also.
we give, but it does not. These children or these women does not have.
Okay.
Does not. This is nowhere related to blood pressure.
Okay. Okay. You have medicine in Suraksha and MM.
Yes, we have very good
You make
medicines.
it and all.
Yeah, we have a product like Femino like thing, and we prepare in our own clinic. And one more is like
Rakta
PCOD, Rakta Shuddhi for blood purifier, what we call as. And apart from that, we give oxycalcium, that is also useful. If you set up medicines we give to the patients so that the patient takes regularly, and at one time, like after 3 to 6 months, we again go for scan, and after that, like the patient, most of the patients will at least have a regular periods. So basic problem is with not having a regular cycle, monthly cycle. So once we start giving more than 3 to 6 months, naturally most of the time the women will have regular periods, and maybe after 1 or 2 years they may have disturbance, but this PCOD is always a problem to this women who already have PCOD. So what we recommend is that, like if any woman comes, married woman comes, we ask them to go for children, so that once the baby is born,
You have a treatment for infertility problem also, ma'am?
yes, we have treatment. Why? Because PCOD is one of the problem which creates infertility, because ovulation is not there, and when the ovum is released nobody knows. So the process is delayed. So for that we try to help the patient to have the ovulation, and we give very good medicines, like we have
Okay.
Shatavari.
I think next time we will discuss on infertility and diabetes and blood pressure, ma'am. Thank you. Since how long you are giving treatment for on PCOD, ma'am?
More than 20 years.
Okay. You have good result on this?
Yeah, very good result.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I think this is a topic very interesting, and we'll meet on another topic next time.
Welcome.